The new accu-jet S Pipette Controller from Brond gives you the ideal combination of precision and power. In this video, we'll show you how to install and remove the battery from the accu-jet S. You'll need to install the battery in the accu-jet S Pipette Controller prior to using it for the first time, or if ever you need to replace the battery. To install the battery, unscrew the adapter housing. Then slide the housing cover forward and lift up to reveal the battery compartment. Place the battery pack into the compartment. To activate the battery, plug the electrical connector into the socket on the accu-jet S. If you need to remove the battery, simply unplug it from the accu-jet S by tugging gently on the connector. With the battery in place, take the housing cover and slide it into place so that the clips on the cover fit into the slots on the accu-jet S. Now push the front of the housing cover down so that it rests flat across the top of the instrument, and press gently on the housing cover until the threads align, allowing the adapter to screw into place. To assemble the power cord, select the appropriate adapter for your region. Align the rounded portion of the plug adapter to the arrows on the power adapter and slide until it snaps into place. Connect the power cord to the accu-jet S and charge. The LED charge lights will turn green, indicating the accu-jet S is charging. You can use the accu-jet S while it's on the charger. If you have additional questions, contact Brandtech Scientific Customer Service or log on to brandtech.com.